Hello, I'm Nate, your product support specialist at RealityWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the vinyl catheterization model. Begin by removing the abdomen. And this is the female genitalia with the hoses up. First, start by getting the hoses through this small opening at the top here. Make sure both hoses go through. And then, starting from the inside, there's this lip right here. Feed through that opening. And then pushing from the inside, and then also, here it is in place. And finish by reattaching the abdomen cover.